The Mechem steel wheels are an innovation that was designed to assist Mechem countermine teams in their operations. This tool allows teams to safely clear anti-personnel mines and works well for fast and cost-effective area reduction and ground preparation. The wheels are used on the Casper and Tapir mine-protected vehicles to simply drive over and detonate anti-personnel landmines. No damage is done to the MPV or wheels during these operations. These wheels are capable of clearing thousands of anti-personnel mines before being replaced. In the event of accidentally detonating an anti-vehicle mine, minimum damage will occur, usually having to replace the wheel and possibly the axle. If securely strapped in, the crew of the vehicle will suffer no harm. The Mechem vegetation clearing system was developed to assist demining personnel in the safe clearing of light to medium, 50 mm diameter plant growth in areas suspected to be contaminated by landmines. The system consists of a standard TLB fitted with a shrapnel-proof armored shield and an adapted vegetation clearing attachment. The system was designed to be operated from a confirmed safe area whilst cutting vegetation in the area suspected of being polluted by landmines. The operating platform has therefore been fitted with a ballistic shield to protect the operator from shrapnel in the event of a detonation. Although explosives are the most recognized method to destroy landmines and UXOs, the availability, cost and transportation of explosives is a major problem. Therefore, Mechem has developed a deflagration system which is a safe and extremely cost-effective pyrotechnic composition that, when ignited, produces a very hot plasma substance that melts through the metal casing of a landmine and burns the explosive content. In most instances, only a partial detonation will occur, since most of the explosives will have been burnt away. The Mechem deflagration system can be used to safely destroy all types of ordnance in situ without the aid of any explosives. The system has also been successfully used to make small arms inoperable as part of the weapons reduction and abatement program. In the DRC, thousands of AK-47 rifles were rendered inoperable using this system. The Mechem deflagration system consists of the following elements: deflagration powder, igniter, remote electronic trigger. The Mechem small arms incinerator was developed to destroy Timex and illegal stockpiles of small arms ammunition. The system consists of a well-constructed furnace fired by diesel or paraffin. The system is extremely safe and easy to operate. The system was developed to be operated by unskilled laborers under supervision of an EOD operator. The system is already operational in the DRC, where it has destroyed thousands of rounds of ammunition up to 12.7 mm caliber, making the environment safer by ridding it of millions of rounds of small arms ammunition. The Mechem roller system allows teams to safely clear anti-personnel mines and works excellently for fast and cost-effective area reduction and ground preparation. The system is usually used in unison with steel wheels. The Mechem mine roller system consists of a heavy roller fitted with discs. The roller is pulled by a Casper vehicle in terrain where the presence of landmines is suspected. The roller, being pulled behind the Casper, detonates all the mines missed by the Casper because of the space between the Casper's wheels. The Mechem vehicle-mounted mine detection system is a metal detection system integrated with a suitable mine-protected vehicle platform. Metal detection systems from various manufacturers are used. The MVMMDS uses an electronic pulse induction metal detection system and the sensors are mounted on a non-metallic rubber draw mat that is drawn behind a modified Casper or Tapir mine-protected vehicle. The draw mat can be towed directly behind the vehicle or to the left or right of the vehicle. The detection coils are mounted on foam rubber mats positioned onto the rear of the draw mat. The detection electronics and the operator's console, or PC, are mounted inside the MPV. The detection system processes the data obtained from the sensors. The processed data is then graphically displayed on the operator's screen and saved to storage media. Upon detection of a metal object, a signal is sent to the marker controller and the ground is marked in real time with white marking fluid over the exact position of the detected metal object. Measurements are synchronized with distance traveled and GPS coordinates can be saved with the metal object signature data. The system has been tested and has a proven ability to detect TM4657AT mines at a depth of 1.2 meters in rocky shale soil at speeds of up to 20 kilometers an hour. The width of the search path is 2.2 meters, but this can be increased to 3 meters should the terrain or road allow this. The operating speed of the system is an average of 5 kilometers an hour, at which speed it has no difficulty to detect and accurately mark the TM4657 mine at the depths mentioned. The system can detect and mark minimum metal mines and other metallic objects containing at least 8 grams of metal at depths up to 200 millimeters and traveling at approximately 5 kilometers an hour. The system also records all signals. The detection and marking systems are modular and can be mounted in most MPVs. The sensor mat can be deployed in 3 to 5 minutes and is carried on the roof when not used for detection. The system can be used to clear 40,000 to 100,000 square meters per day. Mechem realizes that the technique of drawing the mat behind the vehicle is usually frowned upon when first encountered, but it has conducted extensive research proving that this is the most effective method as opposed to the forward-mounted mine detection system. Simple physics will prove that at 5 kilometers per hour, with a detection set 3 to 5 meters in front of the vehicle, the average person's reaction time will ensure that the vehicle stops on top of the suspected object. A further distinct disadvantage of a front-mounted system is the fulcrum effect, which causes the detector to not remain a constant height from the ground, thus making detection almost impossible. The driver and the crew are fully protected against the effects of up to 2 AT landmines, and the limited damage to the vehicle can easily and quickly be repaired at an affordable cost. Mechem therefore views the cost of repairing the vehicles following such detonations as part of its operating costs.